wicked hard.
This game is already hard. All they did was make it hard. Oh, come on. How can we make it harder? By making no line hits and make the pot. Oh, anything? Oh, then I lined up. Ooh, is that something? $30 or something. Do you need help? Did we get one? Oh no, that was our neighbor's bonus. Really? I am up. Only I would think we got a bonus for somebody else. Come on. Be the one. Oh, times three. Oh wait, that was better by $1. Come on, purple boy, come on. Did we get it? No. Pop it like it's hot. Oh dang. Neighbors are get the grands. And those pots are huge. Only the biggest. Oh my god, they're huge. Oh god. You're pretty quiet. Because you're angry.
No. Just using all my goodwill and energy.
Molly practiced jujitsu. Was it jujitsu? No, Tai Chi today. So we're calling. Oh, that's something. Times something. Oh.
Yeah. Times
950, baby.
nothing.
Yay. Why did I think that? Oh, dude, come on. Did we get? Oh.
Nope.
I mean, could it get any bigger?
It's got an
Can I
aurora.
just set you up for a joke? An aurora borealis. Why can I say that? Aurora borealis. Good God. Oh, a feature. Did we get all of them? Give us all of them. Two. Gosh, that's suspenseful. Alright, we'll take it. That was cool. That's cool. Let's go, Wolfie boys. Come on, no whammies. Oh, you can get the gems, bud.
Yeah.
Here comes our minute 23. Nice. Let's go. Let's do. Oh, that could be something. Oh my God. Let it be something. Oh my God. Let's do that. I mean, if we don't even get the mini, I swear to God. Okay, we got the mini. And a line hit. Nice. Alright, don't goose egg us. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's not going to do it. Ay, ay, ay. Mini, oh, you couldn't have been the minor. Minor. At least the minor.
Oof. Well, after putting $400 in there, luckily we won 70 back.
Yes.
How fortunate.
Too blessed to be stressed. I mean, I guess if you're gambling, it's not a financial plan. At least not a smart one. This is a high-risk financial investment. Ole, okay. I think I just said ole, okay. Ole, okay. What's this called? Wolfrun Wild Moon? Oh. Nah. I want the expanding wheels or reels, I think. For some money, please. They're popping it over there on 2 cents. Oh, come on, let's get a whole screen of Wolfies. Okay. Man, this sure knows how to take your money. You're a little wolfie. I wonder if the Piggy Wolfie made just this game more interesting to people. Snooze. No, this ain't doing it.
Well, I would venture to say this must have an incredibly good bonus.
Right?
But something tells me it
Oh,
doesn't.
not good at it. When you hit it, it must be like insane. You need to hit it soon because your
Yeah.
girl's hungry.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Yikes, spikes. In 300, 400, put in, how much did you put
I
in
sat
there?
down here with $700.
700, you put 6 in.
I got 600 in it.
Yikes. Well, Wolf Run. You may want to run away from. No,
No.
of course not. Why would we think that that was it? This reminds 3. Come on. Okay. You got
Man, I hit all three. I hit all three and got one. That's fun. Love when you hit all three of them and it gives you one. That's always my favorite.
Better than none. +1, that's good. Okay, that's good to know. Oh, it looks like you can still pop them. Come on, dude. Not great. So far, awful. Now I wonder what that means if it's a whole other game. Oh, we got him. Oz. Alright, things are looking up. Feature upgrade. Alright. 10 more games. Oh, thanks. That's cool, because nothing lined up. Oh, okay, that could be good, Oz.
That could be.
Oh, shooty. Oh, shoot, that's gotta be huge. Right? What she said? Major 1, 2, 3. Let's get another major over there on the right. Let's get another major on the right. Now that's gonna go nuts. We're at $172 for cheated. There we go. A little bit of it back. Now if we can do that 8 more times, that'd be cool. Nothing. Nada. Garbage. Okay, okay. Do the thing. Thank you. Okay. There's some chatter. Alright, that helps. It not, I mean, it's still 6 more games. Who knows? Get some jack. Nothing. Anything? No. Really? Mini? Nailed it.
You just need three in the middle.
Yeah, we see
Wild
that
in
one
the middle.
amazing line hit. That's it. That's one good line hit. Track top 10 should be major, major. Not the grand. Nobody's gonna win that. Except for that one time we did win a grand. Oh, dead spin. Come on, one big one. There we go. Come on. Major, 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 major. No. Ay, ay, ay. Hachi machi.
In the middle. In the
Big,
middle.
big finish. Little finish. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, well, that concludes the game.
For a triple pop.
Not great, but we were down to $70.